We are discussing about trees. Let us know what is a tree. A tree is a collection of nodes that will be presented in hierarchical manner is called trees. A tree is a nonlinear data structure are used to represent the data containing hierarchical of network relationship between the elements. Trees and graphs are the examples of nonlinear data structure. Terminology. There are five terminology of trees: root, edge, parent, depth of a tree, and degree of a tree. Let us go with a root. In a tree data structure, the first node is called as root node. Every tree must have root node. We can say that root node is the origin of the tree data structure. In any tree, there must be only one root node. We never have multiple root nodes in a tree. Let us take an example. In this diagram, A is the first element of the tree. In the tree, A is the root node. The terminology of the tree is edge. In a tree data structure, the connecting link between any two nodes is called as edge. In a tree with n number of nodes, there will be a maximum of n minus 1 number of edges. Let us take an example. In this tree, there are 7 nodes and 6 edges. The connecting line between two vertices is called edge. So this is the edge which connecting the vertices 1 and 2. Third, parent. In a tree data structure, the node which is parent. The node which has branch from it to any other node is called as parent node. Parent node can also be defined as the node which has children. In this tree, 10 is a parent node of 11 and 12. Is all 11 and 12 is also a parent node because 13, 14 are child nodes of 11 and 15, 16 are child nodes of 12. Degree of the tree. The number of nodes will be presented in a tree is called degree of the tree. Example, B and C are child nodes of A and D, E, F, G are child nodes of B and C. The total number of nodes that will originate from the root node is called the degree of the tree. So the degree of the tree is 6. Depth of the tree. The number of levels present in a tree is called depth of a tree. Example, in this tree, 11 is the root node. There are three levels present in the tree. Types of trees. There are 5 types of trees: free tree, rooted tree, ordered tree, regular tree, and binary tree. First, free tree. It has no node designated as a root. For example, in this tree, there is no designated root node. Rooted tree. A rooted tree is a directed graph where one node is designated as a root whose incoming degree is 0. Example, in this tree it has particular specified root node and it has shows directions. Ordered tree. In a directed tree, an ordering of a node at each level is prescribed. It means in which the children of a node are somehow ordered. Then such a tree is called as an ordered tree. Example, in this tree every node has ordered and it is prescribed with value. Regular tree. A tree where each branch node vertex has the same out degree is called a regular tree. Binary tree. A binary tree is a tree type nonlinear data structure with a maximum of 2 children for each parent. Every node in a binary tree has a left and right reference along with the data element. For example, this is a root node. It has 2 child nodes, left child and right child. Left child and right child are also parent nodes of these child nodes. Leaf nodes, which does not have any child nodes.